Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign out of iVisa account. So first we're going to go to our app. As you can see, we're already signed in. Then we're going to go to our profile section. Then click on logout, as you can see. So as you can see, we're signed out. So if we want to log in back again, all we have to do is enter our email back there. Then click on continue. They're going to ask us to enter our password. We also could log in with our code sent to our email. Then next, we're going to click on login. So as you can see, we're logged in. So this is how we do it. It's an easy step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.